Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can group games on Steam in your library, or in other words, how to create a collection. So what we need to do is go to library over here. Let's click. Now we have all our games on the left side. And now if we want to manage our collection, we can click on this panel over here. Let's click that. And here we can create a new collection. So let's click this button. Now over here we can name our collection and we can name it how we want. We can, for instance, write FPS, so first person shooters, and then we can either use create collection button or we can create a dynamic collection. The difference is that if we create a collection, then this one will be manual, meaning that we will have to put games into this collection by ourselves. So let me quickly show you. Let's create the collection, and now we can drag games to add them to this collection. So let's say I'm gonna put Counter-Strike 2 over here and the finals. And as you can see on the left side, now I have FPS category where I have these two games separated from others. Now, like I said, if you want to add something, you need to do that manually. So you can click on the collection like so, and then you can drag the game from the list into the collection. We can also drag it out in order to remove it. And that works completely fine, of course. However, you can also create the dynamic list. So let me remove this collection. And now let's create one more time, but this time we will create a dynamic collection. So let's once again name it FPS. And now let's choose this option. Now, as you can see, we have a bunch of options. We can pretty much filter our library, and Steam, based on what we choose, will create the collection for us. And even if we buy a new game or we add it to our library, then Steam will pretty much check what type of game this is, if it matches the categories of collection, and add it for you. So you won't have to do that manually. So let's say that I want to meet the FPS criteria, and let's say I even want it to be only multiplayer games. So we have to select multiplayer. And now, as you can see, I can see games that have multiplayer, but now of course I want this collection to be only FPS games. You also have genre over here, so you might be able to quickly select the right genre. However, if you can't find it over here, you can use these tags over here. We have store tags and we can write whatever we need. So I'm gonna type shooter, and as you can see, we have a bunch of different categories for shooter. I'm just gonna select the default one. And as you can see, right now I only have these two games because the other two are not shooter games. And every time I buy a new shooter game, that is multiplayer of course, then it will be automatically added to this collection. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!